Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is quite a special video actually. My dad and I will go to Clark International Speedway to watch the second leg of the Toyota Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. So should be exciting, lots of fun stuff to do later, and let's see where we'll go. We've done around 20 kilometers and the thirsty Subaru needs a drink. So here we are at Petron, #bestgas. And we have around 100 kilometers to go to Clark. Let's see what we can find around the paddock. So already we got some interesting cars. We got a GR Yaris, which we'll be seeing a few of today. They are on warm-up right now, so should be cool. Got an Audi A4 over there, and yeah. Now we're on to some good stuff. We're at the Toyota booth, and we got the Vios Cup booth and the new Toyota GR86. That's very cool. Quite similar to the BRZ, but it's still very cool. 4-cylinder boxer engine, around 200 something horsepower. Pretty powerful. So, I'm here in the Obengers garage with the best sim racer. Nah, not true. One of the best sim racers in the country, Mr. Russell Reyes.
Thank you.
How's your experience here in the Vios Cup so far?
I've been working for Obengers for data telemetry, and
Oh,
it's
nice.
been fun. It's been fun.
When did you start? Yesterday.
No, on Wednesday.
Wednesday. So start of the week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was good to see how they drive, how they tackle the course.
Is it different in the sim than it is here?
A lot. So those sim boys that are saying that it's the same.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
The times are also different, no?
Yeah, very different.
In the sim you did 2:19.
Yeah, here
it's 2:25.
Yeah, so you can see how
it's very different.
Yeah, it's very different. The tire compound is much more slidier than
harder.
Oh yeah, than sim. So yeah.
Wow.
Kaya yun, enjoy naman.
Enjoy.
I love.
Maganda yung atmosphere nga dito eh.
Oh, I love the I got to even drive. Not drive. Ride in a Supra.
Yesterday?
Yeah, and full throttle outside.
Uy, okay.
Like
Who's driving?
Si Sir Pao Agregado, the team manager of Obengers. So grabe yung G-force.
Grabe?
Oh, I think that's the hardest
you've ever done.
Yeah.
Kasi,
felt.
How fast does that go? 200?
No, we just went to 140 pero
140.
from a stop.
From stop, yung launch initial.
So full throttle all the way, and
how's it through the corners?
he even drifted it a bit.
Turn off traction control.
Yeah, so
yeah, masaya yan.
Masaya. So yeah, thankful ako nabigyan ako opportunity.
Magandang opportunity talaga yan. Sim racers to IRL.
Yeah, sa mga sim racers dyan na lang, take opportunities lang pag just drive well. Eventually, baka may magbukas na pinto, you'll get into the motorsports. Right?
I am now with the other legend.
I'm just vibing on the music.
There's... I hope this isn't copyrighted.
I don't think so. But if it is, then you're dead.
If it is, then this has no audio. I'll just voice over this section. Have you started college yet?
Yeah, literally this week.
How's Enderun?
It's alright. It's basically typical white people.
How's the suit?
I haven't worn it yet.
Oh really? I thought you had to wear that every day.
No. Online I have to wear... Is this vlog?
It's online.
Hi.
Yes, I am vlogging now.
Online it's like polo shirt, so like normal.
Oh, that.
Something like that.
Okay.
Pero, to be honest, the Enderun polo shirt is so much better than the cost.
Really?
For me, it feels
But
better.
the quality? Yeah. Look who I'm with.
What's up, guys? How's
One
it
of the
going?
legends.
I'm not that old, dude. I'm not that
Future
old.
legends.
No!
Oh,
It doesn't sound
the
good.
local motorsport scene, Mr. Milo Rivera.
Hey guys,
How's your experience this week?
Oh, it's action-packed. So many things going on.
I heard there was a safety car yesterday.
Yeah, we have that all-new Toyota GR Supra as our safety car for this weekend. It was put to some work, given some accidents, some incidents.
Yeah. Was this the first time we've got a safety car in a while?
Last call, promotional class. Pwede na tayong pumila sa may pit and exit. Attention, sporting
Are you gonna have a race?
sporting class.
Yeah, just the race. We're having the opening ceremonies, the parade, and then afterwards the promotional race is kicking in.
So they'll be on the grid already.
Yes, they're on their way now. So just a few minutes, you guys will be watching some great racing, action-packed at that. It's so unpredictable how the results will be, but that's what makes
the Vios Cup great.
Racing in general. And we can only
You
see.
can't predict it until it's over.
I'm sure you know that you know that very well.
Yes, I
You know that very well.
From personal experience.
Exactly.
Exactly.
All right. Enjoy, guys.
See
Have
you
a
around.
great day.
Have a great day.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after
I'll be
me.
there someday. You know? There.
I state your name. Do solemnly swear and agree to abide,
Let's go up.
adhere, and uphold all rules and regulations which has been set forth by the Automobile Association of the Philippines
Parade going on.
and the Toyota
Look what happens to karting. Promotional race is now heating up. Let's see.
Sige, Jay, yan, dive. Dive ka, Jay, yan.
5 to go.
Whoa!
Side by side.
Take advantage, take advantage.
Hey, it's covered inside. The promotional class, the race is finished, and now we're on to the sporting and super sporting class race. Dad,
Yeah.
this seems to be an exciting race, right?
Yes, very exciting
Coach
because
John is starting in P2
P2, yes.
because of the reverse grid from yesterday, and I think Inigo Anton is in P3. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. I'll be filming this. It's gonna be very exciting. They're on their formation lap right now, so it's gonna be very cool very soon. Lights out and away we go. Come on. So the sporting and super sporting class races actually went pretty well for Coach John, and he got off to a clean getaway, got into around 3-second lead after the first 2 laps, and by the end he was more than 12 seconds ahead. So it was a pretty dominant race by Coach John, and I'm quite happy that he actually ended up winning. But as you can see, in a few seconds time, this race will get heated up really quickly in the sporting class.
Versus Troy. Final lap. Troy. He's opening the door. Want it. Coach John has won it. Can Nico do it? Third for Nico. Yes! The winner, right there, number 41, John T. Dizon. Let's go!
Congratulations, Miguel Quiniones!
Yeah!
Fantastic race, Miguel. Congratulations. Second runner-up. Taking home 10,000 pesos from this race. Once again, Miguel Quiniones, runner-up. Make some noise for Joaquin Garrido. Has been standing on that podium since leg 1. Congratulations, Joaquin. First runner-up, second place for our Petron sporting class in race 5. And now we call our champion. You guys saw how great he was on the track earlier. Roy Sarmiento! Ladies and gentlemen, taking home 35,000 pesos from race 5 as the champion of the drone sporting class is Royce Sarmiento. Make some noise for Gerard Lloyd. Congratulations, Gerard. He was actually first place or champion of yesterday's race. And even with 40 kilos, am I right, Gerard? On you, 40, you had 40 kilos of ballast? 50 kilos of ballast. Still ending up on third. Congratulations. Second place in the Bridgestone Super Sporting class is a man, or some would even say, a kid, who we see all the time on the podium, Inigo Anton! We're still getting used to transitioning you, Inigo, but what we're used to is seeing you on the podium. Congratulations! And we have, of course, our champion. We've introduced him so many times, even though he needs no introduction. Our champion for the Bridgestone Super Sporting class, John Dizon! Ahead of everyone else on the track by 12 seconds. That is difficult to do. He built up a lead of 1 second per lap, as James and Gabby mentioned earlier. But fantastic race. Absolutely amazing, these three guys and all our racers. Give it up once again for our winners of the Bridgetown Super Sporting class.
So I'm here now with James, Tito James Deacon. Some cars aren't doing that well, but safety car deployed.